Cardboard mixing deck scratching mat for your fluffy feline friends. Comes with a spinnable deck and posable arm for your cat to paw. Easy self-assembly with clear, illustrated instructions included. Fold the durable cardboard into the playful structure and watch as your cat begins to spin the decks with its claws. A great scratching alternative to your couch and a funny distraction for your cats. A cool and unique alternative to other kitty scratch toys and pet accessories, the foldable DJS mixing deck will turn your favorite pets into mixers, scratchers of the highest quality. The perfect gift for the cat obsessed at Christmas or birthdays. Whether your cat's an aspiring DJ or simply enjoys cardboard material, this design supplies the perfect outlet for cat scratchings. Measures 35 cm W, x 38.8 cm H, x 14.4 cm D, a good size for kittens and cats of all ages. Folds together easily and guaranteed more fun than catnip. Top reviews from the United States. Cats enjoyed it. This was very easy to assemble. I did have to add some additional tape to reinforce the side. My orange cat is a little chunky.